In this video we are going to be analysing PDD, so get straight into it. What are going to be key resistance levels if we continue up? And as we can see, we're currently really sitting on a resistance level. You can see we're currently sitting at around $68, and a support slash resistance where we are right now is 67.50, because that is our second deviation on the 4 hour. And you can also see this was the resistance created on the last movement to the upside. However, if we're able to break this level and continue up, we would have resistance levels at 76.50, and this again would be very strong. Third deviation on the 4 hour, second deviation on the daily, and also we never really expect to see stocks break past their third deviations, because that is very overbought. Even where we are now, quite overbought, but really past at 76.50, very overbought, and we would expect it to fall faster than it pushes up, especially from that level. But if you're looking for even further up targets, we would be looking at $85, $97, and obviously paired with that the $100 psychological resistance, and then a final dollar at $117. Now, one other level I do want to note is pulling up these charts. And on the left we have a 3-year chart, on the right we have a chart since IPO. And you can see the statistical mean is $87. So if we do continue up, really this $85 to $87 resistance is going to be very strong, and if you are holding long, definitely be looking to lock in good amounts of profit coming into this level, because this would, if it does continue that high, would expect that to be the reversal zone. Now onto the support zones on PDD. What are we looking at on that side? And really our closest key support from where we are now is going to be around $58.50, with a very close one behind being at $56.50, as these are our first deviation on the 4 hours. Now these are where we expect to see bounces because they are deviation levels. However, really if you're looking to buy, these are still a bit overbought, and you could be getting better prices if you just wait for it to fall. And our next supports would be at $50, as that is the statistical mean on the 4 hour. But again, statistical mean, at least using technical analysis, this is where we expect the stock to reverse to. So we expect it to fall from around the $70 mark to $50 in time. So if we break this level and continue down, that's where we start getting into the buy zones, and that would be from $40 below, maybe even the 36, as that is our other statistical mean, and then $32, and then kind of final levels around $22, $16, and the final one at $13. Obviously pushing down to the 22 and the 13 really in the near time, probably not all that likely. But where we are now, we are quite overbought, something I wouldn't be too bullish on. Yes, it may continue up, but you could get trapped in that uptrend. It could halt, and then you get trapped on the downside of things. So if you are long, at least be risk managed the best you can. But yeah, really the key focus would be, can we break to this 75? If so, expect a pullback, and at a final push 85, 87. This should be our reversal if we continued that high. And then really key support $50. If you go short, definitely be looking into profits into that zone at the latest. And then if you're looking to start buying, we wouldn't really be looking to buy until the $40, $30 levels. So I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on PDD. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis here.